Hi and welcome everyone. Today is a very sad day. My tried and trusted Tefal Actifry has finally broken. Very sad day. I've had this for a good long time, at least somewhere between 8 to 10 years. First reviews I did were about 6 years ago on chips. In my estimation, chips can't be bettered than in here unless you go to a fish and chip shop. They're obviously the very ultimate, but all those that want to do chips at home, these are better. Now I've got an air fryer, I'll bring it out but alongside you. That's not bad, but still not as good as that. I'll get out of the cupboard and show you. This is the air fryer. Pretty good, very good. I'll have to use it for now till I get another Actifry. Really nice, but not quite the same taste, not quite as good. Very good, but not as good as this little killer here. I had to do a few repairs over the time on it. I'll show you them. Here is the inside of it, and as you know, this paddle turns around and the whole thing moves and the chips get done. This paddle had to be replaced some time ago, but that was okay because they did that part and it wasn't very expensive at all. I think the main things were the repairs that had to be done to the lid because suddenly it decided to warp and not stay on. Now on this, I had to actually make shift repairs in the side of it because it would pop up as it went round and lift off, so it kind of needed a repair either side like that. But I didn't mind because it was still the best. I'm just hoping the new one is as good as our old one, and say I simply just think they're the best for chips. So I'll put it all out like so. Look how mucky that is. Oh, look at that. There we have it. A simple story, a sad story of another gone appliance that was very good. Just want to pass that one on to you in case you are a chip person like me, or like most of us I guess. To me, second to the chip shop is one of these. Okay, the ones in the oven never taste as good either, do you? If you just chuck them in an oven and do it, they never turn out as good as these. I've got quite a few videos on Tefal Actifry and chips and every other thing being done in there, so I'll give you a couple of links to those, but they are all on my channel if you search for them. Okay, that's it though. Usual place, all my stuff. Derek and 33. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.